In this video, we will talk about how to make money on YouTube, replicate top 10 YouTubers. So make sure to watch the full video. In the digital age, YouTube stands as a colossal platform, offering creators an unparalleled opportunity to share their passions, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. However, amidst the vast sea of videos, standing out and achieving success requires more than mere luck. It demands strategic planning, dedication, and a deep understanding of the platform's intricacies. This comprehensive guide explores 10 essential strategies inspired by the practices of top YouTubers to navigate the path towards building a thriving channel and unlocking its potential for monetization. 1. Identify your niche. Discovering a specific niche where your passions align with audience interests is paramount for YouTube success. Whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or fitness advice, homing in on a niche allows you to effectively target a dedicated audience, stand out among competitors, and establish authority within your chosen field. By focusing your content on a particular niche, you can create a deeper connection with your audience, cater to their specific interests and needs, and ultimately lay the foundation for sustainable growth and engagement on your YouTube channel. 2. Create high-quality content. Investing in top-tier equipment, mastering editing techniques, and honing your storytelling skills are crucial steps in producing high-quality content that captivates viewers. Quality content not only grabs attention but also encourages viewers to subscribe, share, and engage with your videos, leading to increased channel visibility and watch time. Key metrics for YouTube algorithm recognition and channel growth. Whether it's crafting visually stunning visuals, delivering informative tutorials, or sharing compelling narratives, prioritizing excellence in every aspect of content creation is essential for building a loyal audience and establishing your channel as a reputable source of entertainment or information. 3. Consistency is key. Maintaining a consistent posting schedule is vital for keeping your audience engaged and loyal to your channel. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly uploads, consistency builds trust with your viewers, sets clear expectations, and reinforces your commitment to providing valuable content. By regularly delivering fresh content, you keep your audience coming back for more, increasing watch time, and cultivating a dedicated subscriber base. Consistency not only boosts your channel's visibility on YouTube, but also fosters a sense of reliability that resonates with your audience, ultimately driving long-term growth and success. 4. Build your brand. Developing a distinct brand identity is essential for standing out in a crowded digital landscape and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. From channel art to video aesthetics to your overall persona, every aspect of your brand should reflect your unique personality, values, and content style. A strong brand not only helps you differentiate yourself from competitors, but also fosters a sense of community among your viewers, encouraging them to become loyal followers and advocates for your channel. By consistently reinforcing your brand across all touchpoints, you strengthen your channel's presence and influence, ultimately driving growth and engagement. 5. Optimize for search. Strategic optimization of your content for search engines is crucial for increasing your channel's visibility and attracting organic traffic. Conducting thorough keyword research and strategically incorporating relevant terms into your video titles, descriptions, and tags can significantly improve your chances of ranking higher in YouTube's search results. By optimizing your content for search, you make it easier for potential viewers to discover your videos, increasing your channel's reach and engagement over time. Effective optimization is a powerful tool for driving organic growth and maximizing your channel's potential on YouTube. 6. Engage with your audience. Building meaningful connections with your audience is essential for fostering loyalty and driving engagement on your channel. Actively engaging with your viewers through comments, polls, and social media interactions not only makes them feel valued and appreciated, but also encourages them to become more invested in your content. By responding to feedback, addressing questions, and acknowledging their contributions, you create a sense of community around your channel, turning passive viewers into active participants and advocates for your content. Genuine engagement is the key to building a loyal audience and sustaining long-term growth on YouTube. 7. Monetize your content. Exploring diverse revenue streams is essential for turning your passion for creating content into a sustainable income stream. From ad revenue to sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and more, there are various ways to monetize your channel effectively. Diversifying your income sources not only maximizes your earning potential, but also provides financial stability and sustainability for your channel's long-term success. By leveraging multiple revenue streams, you can create additional value for your audience and generate a reliable income from your content, empowering you to pursue your passion full-time and continue creating content that resonates with your audience. 8. Stay up to date with YouTube policies and best practices. Keeping abreast of YouTube's policies, algorithm updates, and industry trends is essential for staying compliant and optimizing your channel's performance. Regular education and adaptation enable you to make informed decisions, refine your content strategy, and stay ahead of the curve in a constantly evolving digital landscape. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate the complexities of the YouTube platform effectively and position your channel for continued growth and success. 9. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with fellow YouTubers in your niche is an excellent way to expand your audience reach, tap into new viewer demographics, and foster valuable connections within the YouTube community. Collaborations offer opportunities for cross-promotion, audience engagement, and channel growth, allowing you to leverage each other's audiences, creativity, and expertise. By working together with like-minded creators, you can amplify your impact, create compelling content, and build a stronger presence within your niche, ultimately driving growth and success for both parties involved. 10. Continuously improve and adapt. Willingness to experiment, learn, and evolve is essential for staying relevant and competitive in the ever-changing landscape of YouTube. Analyzing audience feedback, monitoring performance metrics, and staying attuned to emerging trends enable you to refine your content, optimize your channel's performance, and adapt to shifting viewer preferences. By continuously improving and adapting your content strategy, you can maintain momentum, capitalize on new opportunities, and sustain long-term growth and success on YouTube. As we conclude this journey through the strategies employed by top YouTubers, it's evident that success on the platform is not an overnight feat, but a journey requiring consistent effort, innovation, and adaptability. Remember, while emulating successful creators can provide valuable insights, authenticity and passion remain the cornerstones of a truly impactful YouTube channel. So go forth with determination, creativity, and a commitment to continuous improvement. And may your YouTube endeavors be rewarding and fulfilling. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.